I salute you, Chainlink Army. You are great in numbers, but even greater in force. Today we are looking at your favorite coin, Chainlink, to see where it stands on the technicals and to answer your favorite question, when to buy Chainlink. After we search the landscape of top crypto coins and after we do some trend analysis on the term Chainlink in Google Trends in the last 90 days to see is it really the trending subject or your aspirations for this coin have a little bit fallen down. As I said, after we do that, we will take a look at technical analysis on the 3-day chart of Chainlink and again try to give you an answer on your favorite, as I said, question, when to buy Chainlink. So after you subscribe to this channel and before we dig into this deep hole of your demigod Chainlink, let's roar together. Altcoins are having a little bounce, but be careful when I say this. You can say that they are moving much more to the upside than to the downside, but that could be just a rebound in our downtrend that we started a few days ago. Chainlink with about 5% gain and Ethereum more than 6%. But since we talk about Chainlink today, let's do some trend analysis to see your interest in typing in Google Chainlink. This is Chainlink in the last 3 months, and about a month ago we reached our maximum interest of 100. As you can see, we are consolidating again, so it is safe to assume that we are having a pre-peak phase again. This could be good, and this could be collecting momentum for another upside leg. Don't be investor or a trader that buys on the peak. Be the one that do its research in this consolidating and low volatility times. But let's not waste any time. Let's go to the technical analysis of Chainlink versus US dollar. This is our naked chart of Chainlink, the 3-day chart. Every candle represents 3 days. I tried to do something in between of daily and weekly chart. This will do us good. From the price action perspective, we are in a downtrend. Why? Because on our peak about a month ago, we made high and a low, but after that we didn't make a higher high to remain in an uptrend, but a lower high, making it official a downtrend. Also a lower low. By the probability, our future expectancy is another lower high. Something like this. This is the only logical explanation that we could have. I'll draw you now a resistance line, downward sloping, that could determine this lower high. Here it is, and we could be facing another point of resistance on it. We faced it once, we faced it twice. Why not expect a third time? Okay, that is talk about resistance line. What about the support line? Well, this was our support in the previous move to the upside. We can no longer use this as a support. It's pretty simple to answer why. We broke it on the beginning of this month of September. We are not using it anymore as a support but as resistance. These were our 2 support points, but on the 3rd attempt it failed and are now facing it as a resistance. So the next time we meet this line, it will resist us to the downside again. Of course, the other way is possible, but for now we should assume the trend, and that is a downtrend. So if this support is no longer valid, which support it is? The support line that started in March of this year on the day of big crash is now our big support. It really knows some great signs. It started the support in March, and in June and July become support again. And this is the boiling point of this video, because this line is telling you the answer to the question when to buy Chainlink. Isn't it obvious that you should buy Chainlink when we touch the support line? We are not on this line, but we are on our journey to it. I know that you Chainlink holders think that I'm bearish and that I should say buy now, but that is not the case. And let's use now the Fibonacci to see the connecting points with this line to establish support and resistance and a clear detailed answer on when to buy Chainlink. So if we use this low of March and this high of August, we can get clear levels of support and resistance based on the Fibonacci. Now let's talk about the golden ratio, 61.8, the most important level, 50% and 38.2, the golden bucket zones. And you can see, if we dig a little deeper into these levels, that they are significant, not only on Chainlink but on any asset that has price action. At the moment you are seeing the resistance at 38.2 level is making at around $12.80, where we found support the last few days at 50% retracement, $10.6. But at 61.8, the level that I mentioned a long time ago in one of our videos is and was our resistance line in the past. So why not take that level into account for the future developments of the price? I must say that all this Chainlink analysis didn't made me some popularity with you, because I said on the candle somewhere between $15 and $20 that we are bound to go down. Please check my other videos on the Chainlink series and you will see that we predicted this move. But you said I'm too bearish. I will not speak about this in every video, but remember that although you are the fan of Chainlink, and you should be, you're right to be, nothing can go up all the time. We have to have these retracements so that we can find support for our new momentum. This is exactly what Chainlink needs for future price action. Don't be fooled by this. It's a good thing, but let's keep the subject on. Let's now draw this support and resistance lines and erase this Fibonacci so we can have a clearer picture for the future. There you go. Our three lines, 38.2, 50 and 61.8, all making a significant price action. What can we deduct from this? As I said, when to buy Chainlink? When we touch the support line. And the support line is in upward trajectory, so that's a good thing. You just have to be patient and pick the right time to get in again in Chainlink. Of course, this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't tell you what you should do with your money. I'm just putting my perspective on the screen so you can make your own research and your own deductions. What would be the healthiest thing for Chainlink, according to this analysis? To reach the 61.8 retracement, and as you can see, it made a significant resistance in the past, so why not to be a significant support in the future? That means that Chainlink needs to go down a little bit more. Of course, that should not be the case if Chainlink decides to hold this level of 10.6, that's our 50% retracement. In that case, we should have some consolidation to reach this point to touch again the support line, but in other way. I'm always just reminding you that cooling period is a good thing for the future price development. If you agree with this idea, let me know in the comments. I would like to hear your thoughts. A healthy discussion is always good. If you like the video, smash the like button, and until the next video, roll with